everyone. Today's topic is about building a market entry strategy, which is important for any business planning to launch a new product or enter a new market. A well-executed market entry strategy can mean the difference between success and failure, especially in a competitive market. Whether you're starting a new business, launching a new product line, or expanding into a new region, understanding the steps involved in entering a market effectively is key to minimizing risk and maximizing growth opportunities. After going through this lecture, you should be able to understand the importance of a market entry strategy, learn the steps involved in crafting a solid market entry plan, identify different market entry strategies and when to use them, recognize key factors to consider when entering a competitive market. A market entry strategy is a comprehensive plan that outlines how a business will introduce its products or services into a new market. It includes a series of steps designed to help the business successfully penetrate the market, attract customers, and achieve sustainable growth. The goal of a market entry strategy is not just to enter the market, but to enter in a way that sets your business up for long-term success. Market research. The foundation of any market entry strategy is thorough market research. Before entering a new market, you need to understand the landscape. This involves studying your target audience, competitors, market trends, and the regulatory environment. Market research helps you answer key questions like: is there demand for your product or service? Who are your competitors? What are the barriers to entry? When Netflix entered international markets, it didn't just copy its US strategy. They conducted extensive market research in countries like India to understand local preferences, content demand, and infrastructure limitations. Define your market entry objectives. Once you have a clear understanding of the market, you need to set specific, measurable objectives. What are you hoping to achieve in this year? These objectives might include gaining market share, building brand awareness, achieving a certain level of sales or profitability. Clear objectives will guide your strategy and help you measure success. Select the right market entry mode. There are different ways to enter a market, and the right mode depends on your business goals, resources, and the nature of the market. Some common entry modes include direct exporting, selling directly to customers in the new market; partnerships or joint ventures, teaming up with a local partner who understands the market; franchising, allowing another company to use your business model and brand in exchange for fees; licensing, giving another business the right to produce and sell your product. Starbucks entered China through joint ventures with local partners who understand the local market dynamics and customer preferences. This allowed Starbucks to expand rapidly while minimizing cultural risks. Adapt to local market conditions. You will likely need to adapt your product, marketing, or business model to suit the local market. This could involve adjusting pricing, tailoring your message to local culture, or even modifying the product to meet local tastes or regulations. McDonald's tailors its menu for different countries. In India, where a large portion of the population doesn't eat beef, they introduced vegetarian options like the Mac Aloo Tikki Burger. Marketing is essential to any market entry. You need to introduce your product or service to the market in a way that grabs attention and generates interest. This involves understanding local media channels, consumer behavior, and cultural preferences. Your marketing strategy should align with your brand, but be tailored to the new market. Even the best market entry plans may need tweaking once you're actually in the market. Keep a close eye on your key performance indicators, KPIs, and gather feedback from customers and partners. If things aren't going as planned, be ready to make adjustments. Let's consider Amazon's entry into India. In 2013, Amazon launched its services in India. a country with massive growth potential but also significant challenges, including complex regulations and established local competitors like Flipkart. Amazon invested heavily in understanding the Indian market, set up local partnerships, and adapted its services to cater to the specific needs of Indian consumers. For instance, Amazon introduced features like cash on delivery and invested in local infrastructure to ensure faster deliveries in rural areas. Not only it tailored its approach, Amazon quickly gained a foothold in the Indian market and continues to grow. Moral of the story: a well-researched and adapted market entry strategy can help overcome significant barriers and lead to long-term success even in highly competitive markets. Direct exporting. This is often the simplest and the least risky mode. It's a good choice when you have a strong brand or unique product and want to maintain control over your operations. Partnerships or joint ventures. These are ideal when entering a market with complex regulations or significant cultural differences. Local partners bring valuable knowledge that can help you navigate the market more effectively. Franchising and licensing. Best for businesses with a proven model looking for rapid expansion with minimal investment. It works well in industries like retail, fast food, and services where the brand is well established. Acquisitions. Buying an existing company in your target market can give you instant access to local customers, infrastructure, and expertise. This is a more expensive route but can offer faster market penetration. Think of entering a new market like moving to a new city. Before you move, you research the area to find out where the best neighborhoods are, how the job market looks like, and whether you can afford the cost of living. Once you move, you will need to adapt, learning local customs, meeting new people, and perhaps adjusting your routine. Similarly, in business, you need to research, plan, and adapt to ensure success in new markets. Choose a company that has expanded into new market. Analyze their market entry strategy and identify the key steps they took to succeed. Was their strategy effective? Could they have done anything different? Write a 400-word analysis of their approach. What are your thoughts on today's lecture? Have you ever observed a company entering a new market? Were there any challenges or successes that stood out to you? Feel free to share your insights in our next class or reach out during the office hours. That's all for today. In our next session, we will explore how to effectively define and manage sales channels, which is critical once you've entered a new market. See you next time.